sides to the story. Two sides to the story. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Goldn. I'm back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing 3 to 1 by 24K Goldn. Alright, that's a lot of numbers for a title and the name, but whatever. We're gonna play this with open chords. Okay, we're using the key of C. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to play the chords as well as that introduction riff that's going on. It's really catchy. Alright, so for the chords we're playing A minor, E minor, and then F, and then we go to C, and then back to G. Alright, so we have two sides of the story. Na 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 na, C, C, E minor, or C, G. Okay, at the end. So we have A minor, E minor, and then we have F, and then we go C, E minor, A minor. So A minor, E minor, and then F, and then instead you can play C, G instead of C, E minor. Alright, it really depends on how you want to play it. But I would say the E minor sounds better. And then the strumming pattern here we have. Okay, so we have a down down on A minor, and then we have a. That's a up down down down. Right? If you want to play it like the rock guitar that's playing in the chorus, we have two sides to the story. Right? So that's down down, up down 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 down, up down down down. Okay? So down down, up down 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 down, up down down down. A minor, E minor, F, C, E minor. Right? And then for the riff I'm playing, you're basically holding. Okay, so you're plucking 6, right? 5 open, and then you go to 2, and then open on your 4th string. Okay, so 5, 2, open on your 4th string, and then back to the C note, which is 3rd fret of 5th string. Okay, so we have. And then you play open 6th and go to 2nd fret of string number 5. So let's do that all together. And then this time we're not starting with open 6. The second time we're starting with the F note, which is 1st fret of 6th string, and then you play everything else is the same. And then now you're playing C, E minor. Okay, so that's C, 5, 4, and then E minor. 5, 4 for C, 5, 4 for E minor, and you can play E minor with just the 2nd fret of string number 5. So we have. Let me just put this a little closer. You can also play this up here by playing, but it's more difficult. So basically what's important is the 2 open, and then back to 5th string on 3rd. Okay, so that's, now we're playing. So A minor, and then you play, and then you have this, which is 6, 2 on the 5th string, and then you have F. And that is it for the whole song. The rest of the song has the same chords. So that's it, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video.